2025 Tata Sierra SUV, a legend reborn. Welcome to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes, where we bring you the latest updates on upcoming vehicles. Today, we dive deep into one of the most anticipated SUVs of 2025, the Tata Sierra. Tata Motors has revived the legendary Sierra, blending its classic DNA with modern technology and design. Let's explore everything this powerful SUV has to offer. A classic reimagined. The Tata Sierra 2025 brings back the nostalgia of the original Sierra but with a completely modern twist. The boxy yet futuristic design, sleek LED lighting, and rugged stance make it a head-turner on the roads. The signature wraparound rear glass panel remains, giving it a unique identity. With Tata's Impact 2.0 design philosophy, the Sierra now boasts a muscular yet aerodynamic profile, making it a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Sierra is equipped with a 1,498 cubic centimeters petrol engine that delivers an impressive 168 brake horsepower of power and 280 Nm of torque. This powerhouse ensures a thrilling driving experience, whether on highways or rough terrains. The manual transmission allows full control over power delivery, making it an ideal choice for driving enthusiasts. Tata Motors has engineered this SUV to handle Indian roads with ease, providing a smooth and responsive performance. Fuel efficiency and driving dynamics. Despite its powerful engine, the Tata Sierra 2025 is designed to offer optimal fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice in the SUV segment. With advanced aerodynamics and Tata's efficient engineering, this SUV balances performance with mileage, ensuring long-distance drives without frequent refueling stops. The suspension setup is fine-tuned for comfort, offering a plush ride even on rough roads. Interior and technology. Step inside, and you'll be greeted with a premium and spacious cabin. The 2025 Sierra comes equipped with a modern digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and connected car features. The dashboard has a clean and minimalist layout, giving it a futuristic appeal. The plush leather seats, ambient lighting, and panoramic sunroof enhance the overall luxury experience. Additionally, Tata has integrated voice commands, wireless charging, and AI-based assistance, making it a truly smart SUV. Safety and features. Tata Motors is known for prioritizing safety, and the new Sierra is no exception. It comes loaded with advanced safety features such as multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control (ESC), hill hold assist, and a 360-degree camera. The strong build quality ensures excellent crash protection, making it one of the safest SUVs in its segment. Pricing and competition. The 2025 Tata Sierra is expected to launch at a competitive price of 10.5 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, India, making it an attractive choice in the mid-size SUV category. With its blend of power, technology, and safety, the Sierra stands strong against rivals like the Hyundai Creta, Mahindra XUV 700, and Kia Seltos. Final verdict. The return of the Tata Sierra marks a new era for Tata Motors, combining nostalgia with future-ready technology. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone looking for a stylish yet powerful urban SUV, the 2025 Sierra delivers on all fronts. With its premium features, robust engine, and cutting-edge safety, this SUV is set to make a strong impact in the market. That's all for today's review. If you're excited about the 2025 Tata Sierra, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes for more updates on upcoming vehicles. See you in the next video.